Sludge versus Scum, what needs breaking down first in your septic tank? A septic tank silently manages household wastewater, but inside it, two layers always form, sludge and scum. Understanding which one needs breaking down first is vital for keeping the system healthy and avoiding costly repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Sludge at the bottom. Sludge is the heavy material that sinks to the bottom. It is made of dense solids that build up over time. If sludge is ignored, it can rise too high and clog the outlet, forcing solids into the drain field. This often causes system failure, which is expensive to fix. 2. Scum at the top. Scum floats above the liquid layer. It consists of oils, grease, and lighter waste. Too much scum can block the tank's pipes and lead to sewage backing up into the home. While slower to accumulate than sludge, it still needs monitoring. 3. Which comes first? When comparing sludge versus scum, sludge is the bigger threat. It is denser, harder to manage once built up, and directly endangers the drain field. Scum is a concern, but sludge should be handled first through proper maintenance. 4. How to manage both layers. Pump the tank regularly. Sludge must be removed every 3 to 5 years to keep the system safe. Use additives wisely. Enzyme and bacteria-based products can help break down organic matter, but they do not replace pumping. Limit waste inputs, avoid pouring grease, harsh chemicals, and non-biodegradable items into drains to reduce scum buildup. 5. Long-term care. Focusing on sludge removal while keeping scum in check ensures the septic tank works properly for years. Balanced care protects the drain field, prevents clogs, and saves on unexpected repair costs. In the debate of sludge versus scum, sludge must always be broken down and managed first. By pumping regularly, supporting healthy bacteria, and limiting harmful waste, both layers stay under control, keeping your septic system efficient and reliable. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.